Billy's incoming. Can you see him there? Yeah, look down there. Right there. There he is, look, watch. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Hello, this is Sophie Dawson from sophiedawson.com with the seagulls outside. And Billy the bunny, no he's not, Billy the bumblebee, he's going to help us look at this one, which is issue number 51 of the ImagineFX magazine. Peekaboo. So this one here is the last one. Oh, I've just cheated. Oh, why did I do that? Well look, there's the cover. That's a cool one, that is. Let's go and have a look at this one. So that is a brilliant cover, but we weren't supposed to see it yet. Last week we looked at this one, issue 50, with a beautiful gold sexiness to it. And that was like it was a celebration of 50 years of 50 issues of ImagineFX magazine. But my favourite covers so far this year have been these two. Absolutely beautiful. And this one here, the back cover, doesn't really excite me. The front one is cool. I like that. Look, he thinks, that's brilliant. What's happened here is he's been distracted by her sexiness. He's going to go in to get some, and look, she'll kill him. Yeah, his desire is going to kill him. Oh, I like that. Well, the covers this year have been lovely. They really have. That isn't my favourite cover though, but it's cool. And I like the way it feels quite sort of... It feels like 80s or something. I like that. So Billy's going to get us in for the final time this year. Claire gets her kitty kisses. So this is what we've got coming up in this one. We've got a bloke with a strange head. We've got two blokes thinking they're hard. And then we've got sexiness in the FX Pose section. Look, I love that. Look at the way she's... that's lovely, that is. Oh, yeah. Miles Johnston, this is. Cool. That's nice as well. It looks a bit like Keanu Reeves. Don't you think? It looks like a bit like Keanu Reeves. Quite funny. I like that one. And these are the... what I like about these FX Pose section is you get loads of different things. Different styles and subject matter. Cool it is. Hey, that's nice. That is lovely, that is. Look at that, look. Hey, PSP. Hey look, PSP launch. So the PlayStation Portable just come out in 2009. I feel like it came out loads before that. I thought it was older than that. Hey look, Mike McCain's art studio. He's got a little Lego figure there, look. That looks epic. He's got little Lego figures all over the place. Look at that, lovely. Tekken 6 Fight Club. I love that. Oh, I love it. Here's the artist Q&A, look. Zombie cheerleader. Cool, isn't it? The art of Dave Dorman. He done Batman. That's nice, that is. Hey, they did the cover. Dave Dorman did the look, Stormtroopers. Star Wars. This bloke done the Star Wars then. Dave Dorman's vital statistics. What breast size is he? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. like father like son there. Look, that's funny, isn't it? Here's an art class with dragons. Sean A. Murray's sketchbook. Interesting. You feel like you need to sit there and really study these, because like lots of stuff there. Artist portfolio of Colin Fix. It's cool. Yeah, this one's all about characters. I like that. Traditional FX Pose section. Into the workshops already. There's loads of workshops here, look. 26 pages, look, I told you. Creating a sci-fi character. Yeah, that one doesn't really excite me, that. Top 10 ways to forge characters. The X Factor. Outrage. Learning to lasso. Rabbit Menace. There's that bloke with his funny head. He's on the DVD, look. Weird, that's weird, isn't it? See, I wouldn't get excited by drawing that. Isn't it weird how different people like drawing different things? Character development. This is a nice one. Look at the way it's all very sketchy down there. Next week, which will, well, 2 weeks time, no, we've already done this. This is, this would be issue 52, which would be the 2010 ImagineFX magazines. I believe this is the first issue I ever did a video of. So that was like years ago. So I've already covered the 2010 ImagineFX magazines. So I'll try to remember to put a link in the description for that one. But hey, look at this bit. Painting an alluring skin with Benita Wickler. Sexy. Look, cool, isn't it? There she is. Into the reviews, look. The Wacom. I believe that might be one of the first ones I had. Not sure. Spider Free. Monsters. Goes Devil May Cry. I like the games. I never watched the manga. It's funny, is. And that's it. We got more photo references. I love that. That was lovely. Yeah. Oh, I miss Marshall Vandroff though. I think that's one of my favourite bits here. But because I feel I want to look into this artist. I hope you enjoyed this though. It was a look at issue number 51 of the ImagineFX magazines, the final one from 2009. So what I do next week is I just do like a little roundup of the whole year, talk about my favourite issues and things. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I shall see you later for another one.